Now you can change the rotation of a video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Make sure your video clip is selected and highlighted. Now, there are all different ways that you can do this. You can click on your video and see, and you can pinch and move it to the left or to the right. Even scroll to the left or to the right, like what I'm currently doing. Pinch and upwards or downwards to change the rotation. Step on what you can do to make this easier is make sure your video clip is still selected and highlighted down and to the right till you see the option basic. Now move BG and filter. Now basically, if you click on the third option which says rotate, drag this or move this in the middle hand screen to the right or to the left, and notice how it's changing the rotation of the video clip completely for free.